Hey, Josh here from MediaLeaders.com. We all know it's important to do some testing to make sure that we're selling products on our website, but none of us have time for it. I, even as someone that works in the online marketing world, just do not have time for A/B testing. It's exhausting. I've got a business to run, right? So let me show you A/B testing you'll actually use. I'm going to show you this as an example on our summit that we're hosting, the Digital Growth Summit. You've got a video on the left, the button on the right. You scroll down, it's pretty cool. You've got the big companies that are speaking at the summit. You've got the different names, tons of people on a one-day, 7 panels that you can choose from, SEO affiliate. Awesome. Cool, Josh. Okay, it's on the beach in Santa Monica. Great. So here's our different prices, $2.99, $1.99, and $99. I want more people to buy this in the next 24 days in 1 hour. Let me show you how to set this up. First, you go up to the top, you copy the link that you're on, you go to Optimizely.com and you create an experiment up in the upper right. Now, why Optimizely, Josh? It's pretty darn easy to use. I don't have time for the other A/B testing stuff. I pay less than $50 a month to try this stuff out. Actually, you might pay a lot less than that. You name it, and I named it DGS landing page or something, Digital Growth Summit. I put the experiment URL in there, and it's literally that easy. When you create the experiment, this is what you get. You land on the page of the original. It shows you your original, and as you roll over these, it's literally that easy. You right-click, and you click Insert HTML image or text, or Edit Element HTML text and classes. You can literally change things. So what I did is I created variation number 1 in the left, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It auto creates variation number 1, and I started editing it. It's really smart like that. I put the word 9 tickets left. I just right clicked and clicked edit the text and add it in, and I want to create scarcity, right? So I did that, and I renamed it 9 tickets left instead of variation 1. I want to make it easy on reporting at the end. Then I created variation number 2. My trick is click duplicate variation, and then it lands on the next one, and you create variation number 2. 3 tickets left, right? Next, then 3 tickets left at this price. I'm creating tons of variations, almost sold out, and 1 ticket left. Now, the trick here is you need to put 100 people through each one of these variations to see which one is actually selling. Another thing I did is I right-clicked on the Register Here button to set up a goal, and I clicked over to Track Clicks, Create a New Goal. But I already have a goal for this element. When I created a new goal, I called it Add to Cart. And when people add it to cart and they click on that, that's exactly what that button does, is it adds it to cart on my WooCommerce system in this thing. So now we have a bunch of different variations, and I clicked, this used to be a green button up here, and I clicked Start the Experiment, and it told me, hey, you don't have any your code in the system. So I added the code very easily. I went into Appearance Editor for WordPress. If this isn't that advanced for you, there's probably another way to load their plugin, but you get the idea. And I went into the header. I searched for the header because you want to load this in the header area, and I loaded it in. Josh inserted this code. Cool. So update the file, and it should be in there, and so on. You can turn this back on. Now, I'm going to make a version 2 of this video someday soon, but you see how this is running, and there's 2 goals set up. DGS landing page. I think I want to turn this Media Leaders thing off. I want to pause this one. You never want to run too many experiments on your site. And I do want to have the DGS landing page running, and let's see what happens. How many people land? All right, so let's review what we covered. You take your original page, you go down to the area you want, and it auto loads in the original once you've built it, and it lands you on variation 1. You start messing with it. You duplicate variation 1 and mess with it some more. Duplicate variation 2 and mess with it some more, and 3 and 4, and then you start it up top. You make sure that code is loaded in and things are going well. Let's go back to the dashboard now. All right, and so now it's ready to run. Let's do one more small test, and then I'm going to close this video. Let's go back over to the Digital Growth Summit, logged out from a different browser. Let's click on it, and let's see which variation we randomly get. I'm also going to refresh it just here in Firefox. I normally work in Chrome. Let's click through. So notice how we landed on the 9 tickets left one? Now let's close out of that browser. Let's go back over to the website, MediaLeaders.com. Let's go land on it again. And it should give us 9 tickets left. So we're continually cookied and we're getting the same message. Now we'll let lots of people see if that's happening, right? So different ways to test it. Let's go test the same thing. Incognito window in Chrome, MediaLeaders.com. I hate to test it too many times because then I'm messing with my things. Look at this one. It gets 3 tickets left. And it'll continually cookie us and get 3 tickets left. Okay, so everything's set up. Let's let it run for a long time. That's Optimizely. You can click the link below this video to try it out for yourself. I think we pay less than $50 a month, and so far we really like it. It gives us a chance to do this for us and a few of our clients. Hope you're great. Thanks so much for watching. Visit MediaLeaders.com to learn more about our summit, our different events, our testing. Click on the clients above. Join our video vault at the top by clicking on the video vault. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Josh Oakes. Have a great day, and as always, please keep it light, bright, and polite. Take care.